You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, as well as how to say more interesting but also confusing expressions from Latin, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you pronounce it? Well, there are quite a few different ways of pronouncing it. In English, the first word is generally said either res or res, although in classical Latin it would be said more as res or ras. So res, res or ras. The second word can be said generally in English either as Nulius, Nulius, or in American English more often it is said as Nulius, Nulius. Now, the last word can also be said in classical Latin more as Nullius, Nullius. So you can play around with combinations of those. It's up to you. Res Nullius in classical Latin, or res nullius, or res nullius, or res nullius, etc. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.